In today's video, we'll be exploring the Essential Addons plugin for Elementor. We'll show you how to add this plugin, enable its widgets, and use them to enhance your web pages. Essential Addons is a must-have plugin that adds over 70 widgets to Elementor, expanding your design possibilities. Let's get started. First, let's install the Essential Addons plugin. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Essential Addons for Elementor. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. After activation, you'll see the Essential Addons options in your WordPress dashboard. Next, we need to enable the widgets we want to use. Go to Essential Addons in the dashboard menu and click on Elements. Here, you'll see a list of all available widgets. Toggle the switches to enable the widgets you need, such as the Advanced Accordion, Info Box, and Testimonials. For this tutorial, we'll enable the Advanced Accordion, Info Box, and Testimonial widgets. Let's add these widgets to a web page. Navigate to the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. First, create a new section and let's add the Advanced Accordion widget. Drag and drop it into your section. This widget is perfect for FAQs or any content you want to present in a collapsible format. Customize the titles and content of each accordion item. Under the Style tab, you can adjust the colors, typography, and spacing to match your site's design. Next, let's add the Info Box widget. Use the search field to locate the Info Box widget. This widget combines an icon, title, and description, making it ideal for feature sections. Drag it into your section and customize the icon, title, and text. Adjust the layout, icon style, and text alignment under the Style tab. Info boxes are great for highlighting services, products, or key features. Lastly, let's add the Testimonial widget. Search for the Testimonial widget in the search bar. Drag the widget into your section to showcase client testimonials. Use the Style tab to adjust the content as required. Create a section with multiple columns to add multiple testimonials, including the client's name, photo, and feedback. Under Style, customize the appearance, adjusting colors, typography, and navigation arrows. Once you've added and customized your widgets, preview your changes to see how they look on the live site. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is perfect. Remember to check how your widgets look on different devices. Elementor allows you to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Adjust the widget settings to ensure your design is responsive. That's it for today's tutorial on the Essential Addons plugin for Elementor. By adding and customizing these widgets, you can significantly enhance your website's functionality and design. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.